welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see, I've not got any nails on. I have been wearing press-ons for the last 2 weeks, just over a week actually. My I can't speak apparently today. My press-ons are trashed. I've had to throw them in the bin. I'm still not happy putting anything on my nails, so I'm going to make myself another set of press-ons, and I thought I might as well film it. Some of you seemed to enjoy it last time I did. So, I'm going for this shape this time. These I got off Amazon, Vivid Stella, and they're just long coffin. So can you see I have cut them down quite a bit. That's the length they were. I have cut them down quite a bit. And there's all different colours in there. So I've gone with this kind of nude colour. I really like the shape of them. I do. I really like the shape of them. I prefer this shape to the last set of press-ons I wore, because they dip right down the cuticle area. They're a really nice shape. Yeah, they're still going to be quite long. I'm just worried they might be a bit too long. But they're only press-ons, so I can take them off, can't I, if they're too long. So, anyway, I'm going to be using, I've got some more new Madame Glam polishes, and these are right up my street. Look at the colours of them. Bright, bright colours. So, we have got Bright Barbie Pink, which is neon. And it is bright, let me tell you. So much brighter off camera. We have got Kiss on the Cheek. This is a beautiful colour. Look at that. Oh, they're so much brighter off camera. And then we've got Vitamin C, which is spelled S-E-A, which is a gorgeous blue. Love this blue. Really, really like that blue. And can I just say as well, because I wasn't quite sure in my last video where I used Madame Glam polishes, they are all now 21 free. They used to be 9 free, I believe. And they're also palm oil free now, which is brilliant. I'm not going to preach to you too much about the palm oil, because I probably use multiple products every day that's got palm oil in it. But it's a start, isn't it? I think we've lost something stupid like 80% of the rainforest to palm oil farming now. The chimpanzees, they've all lost their habitat, 80% of it. It's ridiculous that it's even been allowed to happen. But yeah, I can't preach too much about it because it's in everything. Everything creamy, soapy, smelly. Yeah, anyway, I just wanted to put that in there. You can also use my discount code now, Unpolished30. It's always in my description box along with the link to the website. So, shall we let's get down to business. Do. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Right, what I'm going to do first is, going to give these a really quick swatch. So this is the, what is it called again? Bright Barbie Pink. Right, this one, Kiss on the Cheek. And lastly, we've got Vitamin C. Right, so normally when I'm painting on a nail, I like to paint on a matte surface, but because I didn't want to add bulk, I have just buffed these with a really fine buffer. Either or, you can use a matte top coat or you can give them a really fine buff. So I'm going to put some white. Obviously, these are all going to need a French. So I'm going to put some white on my palette. And I'm just going to do the free edge obviously in white. So I like to put a dot on each side just to make sure I'm starting from the same place. When I'm doing French nails like this, it's like doing my hair. I can never get one side the same as the other. Never. Never, never, never. Right, I'm going to speed this up, guys, while I have a good faff. Right, so on this thumb, I'm going to do some little kind of lightning bolt kind of things. Using the bright Barbie pink. So, just kind of like, I'm going to start from the top corner. Tiny little lightning bolts like that, can you see? Can you see? Yeah, you can see.
just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really like you. I'm not missing you. I'm not full of myself, just like you. I'd rather break my own thread. I can need to stitch you up just for you to tear it up again. Yeah, I'm through. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you.
Right guys, that's them all painted. So I'm going to give them a nice generous coating of top coat. Because obviously some of these are quite raised. If I need to buff them, I will, but I don't think they'll need buffing. So let's get these finished off. Right guys, that's them all top coated and ready to go. I have done my other hand. I've done this one slightly different. I've put some cherries on that instead of the lightning bolts. I've done pink and white cow print instead of the black and white. I've done a blue and white yin and yang, tiger stripes and some black and white checks. So slightly different but same colours. So I'm going to get these ready, get my nails ready, and we'll get them stuck on. Right, so I've just cleaned my nails using alcohol and I've just buffed them slightly just to buff that shiny layer off. It'll just help them stick. Yeah, make sure you clean your nails with alcohol or something. So let's get these stuck on. I just hope they're not too long. To be quite quick with this glue because it sets so fast, which is tricky, especially if you don't quite get it straight. So I just hold it on for a few seconds, wait for it to set. There we go. Right, let's get the rest of these on and then I'll come back and show you what they look like.
Everything
Right guys, that's them done. What do you think? They are a little bit long for me, but I can take them off, can't I? I really like them nude nails. I think they go really well. Which hand do you like best? I think I like this one best. But I do like them both. So I'll quickly show you the colours again. That's the colours that I used. And this green on the cherries is Grassy Sassy. Another Madam Glam colour. Look at them colours. They are beautiful. I will leave Madam Glam website as always in the description box with my discount code. But yeah guys, that's them finished. I really like them. I really do. What do you think? But anyway guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.